Hello friends, welcome to Lovely's Kitchen. So here I'm back with a special quarantine recipe. It's called Rasmalai cake. It's an Indian version of Leche cake. So let's see how it's made. So for step 1, we have to whip the cream. The Leche cake has lots of whipped cream on it, so let's whip it. So I am using my handstand mixer to whip up some cream. I have added a cup whipping cream. I'm gonna whip it for at least 6 minutes. In order to flavor the whipped cream, I'll be adding some saffron water. So I soaked up some saffron strands in warm water. It infuses flavor to your whipped cream, and in order to infuse some more flavoring, I'm gonna add saffron essence, which you can get in any of the grocery stores. I picked it up from Indian grocery store. So this enhances the flavor of the whipped cream. So I'm going to beat it again for half a minute and our whipped cream will be ready. You can see how perfectly hinted color the cream has got, and that's what we are looking for. So the next step is assembling the cake. So on the cake board, I have applied a little bit of whipped cream so that it helps to act as a glue for the base of the cake. With that, I'm adding the the cream of the rasmalai in order to moisten the cake. To that, I have added a layer of whipped cream which we created, and we are going to basically repeat it till all the layers are done. Now this is my last layer. I'm going to soak up my last layer thick. I'm going to scrape off all the fats. Here I'm going to basically crumb coating. Crumb coating is basically you're covering up all the crumbs of the cake which have come out while you were assembling it. And this goes in the refrigerator for about an hour. So let it sit in there, cool down, and this is how it looks. You can see some scratch marks on the cake, which is the proof that my kids have played with it when it was in the refrigerator having its own time. So there you go. And now we are going to basically frost it. I whipped another batch of whipped cream, so that was not enough. This is the second cup which I whipped. I have hinted it with the same saffron color. We're going to frost it. It depends upon you how thick you want, and it's really easy to frost the cake with the offset spatula. It's basically having fun around with the cake, so you don't have to worry. Just go with the flow. It doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to decorate the sides of the cake with some nuts and rose petals. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to make sure that I have a smooth surface on top so that I can decorate it. Now I'm going to decorate the sides. So I have used pistachios. You can use any kind of dry fruits you want. The dry rose petals gives a perfect hint of color to this cake. And now I'm typing some swirls with the same frosting on top of the cake. There you go, you have perfect number of swirls. This is the rasmalai, and I'm going to squeeze out the juice from the rasgulla, and now I'm going to use each rasgullas or cheese balls on top of the cake as macaroons to decorate my cake. These are really delicate cheese balls, and trust me, this is my favorite cake which I have made. I love them, and that's why I wanted to share with everybody. So here, the top of the cake is decorated. I'm going to add some more nuts and some saffron stands from the leftover soaked up saffron. And finally, last but not the least, some rose petals, which are all around the cake. It has to be on top of the cake too. And here is the cake, which is ready to be served.
Hi guys, my name is Ashani, and my name is Jude. And today we will be the tasters on my mom's cake. So let's get started. I love it. It's so good. I like how it's vanilla and it has almonds or what's it called? I don't know. I like how you made the decoration by flowers and you made the frosting vanilla and the cake vanilla. Bye guys! And also I love the Rasmalai. Bye guys! Hope you had a nice video. Bye!
Hope you guys have enjoyed the video tutorial. Thank you for watching it. To get more of our latest videos, please subscribe